In this video, you'll learn how to delete a thread in Perplexity AI. By following these instructions, you will effectively manage your conversations and remove any threads that are no longer needed. Begin by navigating to your threads or conversations list within the Perplexity AI interface. This area displays all your current threads, allowing you to easily identify the one you wish to delete. Once you are in the threads list, locate the specific thread you want to remove. As you move your cursor over this thread, you will notice additional options becoming available. Next, hover over the thread's title until you see a set of three dots, often referred to as an ellipsis. This icon typically appears at the far right of the thread entry. Click on the three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Delete to initiate the deletion process for that particular thread. After selecting Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This prompt serves to ensure that you genuinely wish to remove the thread and helps prevent accidental deletions. Confirm the deletion by clicking on the appropriate button in the prompt, often labeled Yes or Confirm. Once confirmed, the thread will be permanently removed from your conversations list, and you will no longer have access to its content. It is important to note that the deletion is irreversible, so ensure that the thread is no longer needed before proceeding. Additionally, managing your threads efficiently can help improve your overall experience with the platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.